So I think I want to clear a few things up because there's some bullshit on the internet about why the police raided my house. So I'm going to clear it up with an official statement here from the Gutted Out Emergency Meeting podcast. Basically, what happened is stupid, as we all know. Am I allowed to say that on YouTube? Well, it's fucking true. Some whoopee was chilling with T. They made love. And then Tristan stopped replying to her texts. Why? Because it's Tristan fucking Tate. So he stopped replying. Thought, fuck her. She's from, I don't know where she's from. Some other country. I don't know where she's from. She's not Romanian. And after they slept together, he ignored her one day. Hey, let's go out for dinner. Ignored her. Kept ignoring her. Then turns out she has a boyfriend. So the boyfriend found out she was with Tristan. So now she's in a hard situation, right? Because she doesn't want to admit to her boyfriend she's been cheating with the guy who now ignores her completely. So she says, oh, yeah, but I was with him, but I didn't want to be. I was at their house and I couldn't leave. Like she was kidnapped. Even though all of our CCTV, which the police now have, prove that she came by Uber and left by Uber, and there's text messages of her begging to come back, and Tristan wouldn't let her. So then her boyfriend calls the embassy and calls the police from France or whatever country she's from, and they instigate this high-level fucking police SWAT raid for kidnapping. And they come into my house, sorry, Tate, sorry, we're sorry, it's from the embassy. Because if it was actually Romanian stuff, the police wouldn't even come. If the Romanian called the Romanian police, they'd be like, we ain't going to the top G's house, he ain't kidnapping bitches, he's kicking them out. No way. They know me. But because it's from an embassy, because the French embassy, blah, blah, international incident, blah, blah, blah. So the police come here, had to take all my things. This is 2 days after the event. I'm about to get all my electronics back already. Because they know I didn't fucking do anything. The girls broke down crying, admitting she made it up. Whoopies. Stupid whoopies. So what's the lesson of the day? The lesson of the day is that the police treat me with respect because I treat them with respect. Listen, I may be a gangster, and they may be the police. But if they're the top level police and I'm the top level G, we're friends. Just like the top level generals in war on enemy sides, they're still friends. So if the police are ever going to rough you up, it's because you're a low-level player. They come into my house with respect. No one put their hands on me.